That was the Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow, by the way, in the shade, I think Ebony or Granite. Whoever did her makeup went for a shade similar to her complexion, so that's what I'm gonna do. This is the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer. I don't know what shade it is, so leave me alone. This is the NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer. It's in the shade Biscuit. This is the Morphe 25D palette. I'm gonna go in with this pretty brown right here. Too Faced Natural Matte Eyeshadow Collection. And I'm gonna go in with Strapless. And this is the exact color. Like, I was so hyped. Onto primer. This is the Smashbox Photo Finish primer, and I was basically saying that it's a dupe for the Yves Saint Laurent primer that I have. Like, it feels like velvet on your skin. Foundation from Giorgio Armani and my Smashbox foundation. It's okay, I scream for y'all. I know I look nasty right here. After lightly setting my under eyes to prevent creasing, I did that with the Chanel powder that I showed to y'all earlier. I am now taking my Ben Nye powder and I'm gonna bake for a little bit, just a little bit. My Marc Jacobs lip gloss. It's in the shade Enamoured. And then I'm gonna go in with the Bare Minerals lip gloss, and this is in the shade Flirt. I just used my last pair of lashes from Ardell, and I'm tight because why the beauty supply stores close when they just as important as any other CVS or whatever? Get me tight. Anyways, the style was suited to the lashes she had in the music video. Why my face look dumb stank? Oh my gosh. And this blush is from Boxum. It's called Ibiza or Wanderlust. Just both. Ours blush, and this is in the shade Towels. So pretty. Did I add too much? I'm such a drama queen. Problem solved. One final thing that I needed to add, black eyeliner. Shorty had black eyeliner on her waterline. It looks more complete now. I'm not even gonna front. Wow. We're done. I am such a perfectionist, so I have to make sure that I mimic this perfectly as I possibly could. I can't believe I forgot to put on the eyeliner, and I already took footage of me posing. Oh my gosh. Anyways, it's yo. Sounded what? Yeah, exactly. Bye.